Let's get down to business. Yeah.
Okay, welcome to Blessings Christmas Party 2025. Of course, ang gusto ko sana is, sana maging, kumbaga, mitya to ng pagkakaisa natin. Pagkakaisa ng lahat. Kumbaga, alam ko medyo hectic, medyo stressful kung paano natin ginagawa yung mga trabaho natin. Pero at least, sana itong simpleng pagsasama-sama na to is maging inspirasyon whenever we receive or whenever we experience challenges. And hopefully, diba, would put a smile on our faces even if we're having a bad day.
It's time for celebration. Are you ready for the real thing? Coming at you like a wild dream. Popping at you from the big screen. Ain't nothing like you ever seen. Ain't nothing like you ever seen. Yeah. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. You don't wanna miss this. My sleeves are the dirty word. We make the whole crowd go berserk.
Mga mangyayari sa Christmas party na to, well, of course, maraming regalo, maraming prizes, maraming games. Walang hindi makaka-receive ng prizes, especially cash.
Sana hindi tayo huminto sa pagsiservisyo, sa pagsisilbi. Kasi ito ang kabuhayan natin. Dito tayo lumago. Dito tayo tumatag. Marami tayong na-experience dito. Marami tayong natututunan. So, hopefully, mag-strive pa tayo for the next 10 years and to the more incoming years. Thank you.
Down to business. You don't wanna miss this. My sleeves are the dirty word. We make the whole crowd go berserk. Just watch how we do this. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. You don't wanna miss this. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business.
Sa Blessings Company, hindi ka ituturing na basta-basta stop lang. Kumbaga, ituturing kang kapamilya. Halos lahat kami ng mga staff, kapamilya lahat yung turing ng boss namin. Tapos, wala ka nang mahihiling pa kasi pag may kailangan ka, problema man yan, pamilya man yan, andyan lang siya, Ma'am Amy, na handang tumulong sa'yo. Kahit ano man yan, financial or anything.
Today's the day. One step ahead, open the door. Right on the edge, we're closer than we've been before. Looking back now, here we are. It's been in us from the start.
Siguro ang ilo-look forward ko this 2026, pagsisilbihan ko pa siya ng maayos na trabaho, tapat, masisipagan ko pa. Kumbaga yun lang yung maisusukli ko sa lahat ng mga mabuting nagawa niya sa amin.
And we can go anywhere, do anything, and make somebody be something. We could be everything we've ever dreamed. I wanna be someone who loves and won't let go, someone who carries on and won't give up hope. I wanna be someone who sees there's something more, somebody who sees we're closer than we've been before. Looking back now.
Now I want you to look ahead. 10 years from now, what will we become? Ano nga ba magiging si Blessings after 10 years? Personally, hindi ko alam. Pero meron akong mga plano. And I need you all to dream with me. To dream with us, with my mom, with my child, and with everyone around you. Mangarap tayong lahat kung ano ang magiging tayo pagtapos ng isang dekadang paglalakbay ulit. Pero sasabihin ko kung ano ang una sa listahan ng ating plano. At yan ay may patuloy lang magsilbi sa komunidad kung nasan tayo at sa mga lugar na posible pa nating mapagsilbihan, and let us continue to be a prominent company in the industry of printing and bookbinding services. Thank you.
We could be everything, everything that we've ever dreamed, ever dreamed.